How to do Pages Move effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add a rectangle mask and connect it to background. Change zoom to 25%. Increase width and height of the mask and rotate it. Select the background and choose a dark gray color. Move the mask to the right side out of Viewer. Add a text node and connect it to the output of background node to merge it. Type a text and adjust its style to your liking. Connect the rectangle to the text as well. Move playhead to the start. Select the rectangle and click on diamond button next to center to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 15 and drag the rectangle to the center to add another keyframe. Select all 4 nodes and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Click anywhere empty to deselect them and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Connect the output of the new merge to the output of first merge to add another merge. Select the background and choose a lighter gray color. Select the text and change its text. Select the rectangle, move playhead to frame 0, copy center X value, and click on diamond button. Move playhead to frame 10 and paste that value into here. Move playhead to frame 15, copy center X value, and click on keyframe button. Move to frame 25 and paste that value here to add another keyframe. Once again, copy these 4 nodes and do the exact same thing. This time add the animation at frames 20 and 35. Now to smoothen the animations, open up Spline panel and check all the checkboxes. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.